Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Session Standard 5. Today we are going to revise the Term 1 portion, Lesson 1, Organ System. We already discussed about that. Now we go to recall the concept. This lesson we already studied. Digestive system, then respiratory system. What is the function of digestive system, children? We eat, we get energy from our daily activity from the food we eat. It is through the process called digestive. Good. After we eat, the waste product are removed from the body. That process is called what? Respiration. We need oxygen to survive, right? So our body get oxygen through the process called respiration. So, different organs form the organ system. What are the organs? Human body have different organs such as digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, and excretory system. This lesson, what are the system we discussed? These are all internal organ function. Okay, digestive, respiratory, circulatory, nerves and excretory. Today we are going to recall digestive system and respiratory system. First, digestive system, the organ that work together to digest food from the digestive system. What is the work function of the digestive system, children? Work to digest food, what we eat. The food we eat consists of complex compound like carbohydrates, protein, fats. They are converted into simple molecule like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glucose respectively. These similar molecules are then assembled either by blood in order to give us energy. This process of conversion of complex food molecules into a simple molecule is called digestive system. Right? What are the organs present in the digestive system? Mouth, food pipes, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. The digestive system can be divided into two. What are they, children? Digestive tract and digestive gland. First, digestive tract. Digestive tract, how many meter they have in our body? 6 to 9 meter long, right? 6 to 9 meter. It is a muscle tube. The tube is made up of muscles. Where to go? Starting from mouth to the ending point is ants, right? See here, mouth and ending point is ants. Between many functions happening. What are the mouth, bowel cavity, piping, stomach, small intestine, long intestine, rectum and ads. As release the waste of the food, right? And release the waste of the food. Rectum also release the waste of our water content, waste things. Okay, these are the digestive tract. These are the organs present in the. These are the parts present in the digestive tract. This helps to digest. Then digestive gland. Next part, digestive gland. The digestive gland are divided into three. This digestive gland only divide the complex compound into simple compound. Okay, salivary gland, pancreas, liver. Salivary gland secretes saliva with moisture food. Saliva contain enzymes which break down complex starch into in simple carbohydrate molecules. The saliva helps to divide the food to small particles. Then pancreas. Pancreas produce the pancreatic juice which contain digestive enzyme for digesting fats, protein, carbohydrates. The juice only digesting the food. Then liver. Liver produce bile for the digestion of fat. The liver only helps to digest the heavy food we eat. Okay, this is the digestive system. Next, we call the respiratory system. Because respiratory system is more important, digestive systems also. Digestive also give energy to us. Respiratory system give our breathe, give oxygen to live in our surrounding. Survey. So, this RL helps to obtain oxygen gas from the air and remove carbon dioxide gas from the respiratory system. This is the process of respiratory system. We breathe in air through nose. From the nose, the air enters the windpipe. Windpipe. The windpipe goes through the lungs. Lungs only take oxygen, release the carbon dioxide. Okay, the respiratory system. There are three major parts forming the respiratory system. What are they? Airway, lungs, muscles of respiration. Airway. Airway is nothing but the airway include the nasal cavity. See this picture, you easily understand what are present in the airway. This airway only the air go enter to the lungs. Nasal cavity, patias, lethias, thorax, bronchs and lungs. Okay, these are the airway. The air travel through these parts through lungs. Where they go? Lungs. The lungs are the major organ. What is lungs? Lungs are the primary organ of the respiratory system. They are paired, cone-shaped organ. They are located near the backbone on both sides of the heart. They are located in our chest. We already know that lungs take oxygen, release carbon dioxide. Right? Then muscles of respiration. Muscles of respiration means what? They include and intercostal muscles. They act as pull and push the air in and out of the lungs during breathing. This is the process of respiratory system. Children, I hope that you recall the concept of this digestive system and respiratory system. Thank you. Have a nice day.